Hi guys, it's Liam speaking again. I'm sorry that I had to do this video again, but somehow my video was fucked. When I got to America, I don't know what somebody's done to delete my video on this movie. I spoke about it, and I'm going to have to do it all over again. I'm so sorry. To you viewers out there that may want to buy this, I'm just saying that it's collectible and just go and get it. You'll enjoy it. It's just got tons of it. Special features on there. It's TV-14, 2-disc set, WE Holiday Tribute to the Troops, Christmas DVD, Regen 1, all that kind of stuff. Prized possession, never be sold. Whoever's fucked with this last video of mine should be dead, basically. Just dead. Yeah, Mysterio's on it, and that's what I bought it for. And, well, when this got, when I didn't see this on my private page, I went stir crazy, absolutely stir crazy. I was just trying to get viewers to put thumbs up, and I don't know what motherfucker took this off, but yeah. Oh, sorry, that's my brother going by, being nosy as fucking usual. He's handicapped, so yeah. Don't blame him, but yeah. For going past. You may think it's funny, but at the end of the day, it's not funny for people trying to take off videos on that shouldn't be took off. These are my private videos. Plus, I don't care about how much money I'm making on doing these videos, because I know most YouTubers make quite a bit of money, and so yeah. I don't really care whether I'm not making any money. I just do it for the love of it, really. Bye. Plus, all my sisters, basically my one sister thought it was funny that it wasn't on the channel, and what I read was there was only the picture of this before I clicked on the video, and when I clicked on the video, it said, sorry, it can't do shit no more, basically. It won't fucking budge itself to work. Black screen, everything. Writing, saying, sorry, can't notify or identify what you've done. But I'm confident, I know what I'm doing. I'm pretty sure I know that I'm doing it right. And my sister, at the end of the day, she's very strange for character, chopping and changing, supporting me with all her love. And I don't really understand sometimes when things go wrong, but family have their fallouts, and it's on YouTube now. I can relax. So this one's my favourite out of my whole fucking collection, and I adore this movie to bits. And bye. And it's the biggest event of the year. So Vince Man, if you like it, please just put a thumbs up. I love you, man. Bye. Thanks for making this movie happen. Bye. God bless Vince McMahon family. McMahon's. Bye.